This video covers the procedures for unboxing, setting up, and charging the IndeeLift HFL-300/400 human floor lift for consumer and small business. Note, the unit will be referred to as the HFL throughout this video. For detailed information about all aspects of using the HFL, please view the IndeeLift HFL-300/400 training video located on our IndeeLift YouTube channel. Please make sure you familiarize yourself with the entire user's manual before setting up and using the product. Preparing the HFL-300 and 400 for use. The HFL comes packaged for shipment in a carton that is sealed with shipping tape. The unit ships without the wheels attached. Packed inside the shipping carton, you will find the HFL, user's manual, and a box containing the wheel components, instruction sheet, and a wrench, as well as the AC power cord that connects to the battery charger. Note, the HFL-300-D and 400-D units also ship with 2 safety belt assemblies. Cut or remove the shipping tape on the top flaps of the carton. Stand the packing carton with the heavy end down. Open the box and remove the foam and cardboard shipping reinforcement inserts. Remove the box containing the wheel components and the AC power cord. Note, the -D units have an additional bag in the box containing 2 safety belt assemblies. Remove the HFL and place it in an upright position on the floor. Attach the wheels by following the instructions found in the box with the wheel components and wrench. Remove the wired remote from its protective bag. Test the HFL by raising and lowering the seat using the wired remote's up and down buttons. Note, if the unit is intended for self-operation, use the hanger clip on the back of the wired remote to place it on one of the lower rise assist handles, and if the unit is intended for assisted operation, place the wired remote on one of the upper transport handles. Important: it is recommended that the HFL be fully charged before its first use. Position the HFL near a standard commercial AC 3-prong wall power outlet. Attach the female end of the AC power cord to the connector on top of the HFL's battery charger. Attach the male end of the AC power cord to a standard commercial 3-prong wall power outlet. The green LED on the battery charger becomes lit, and within 15 seconds, the orange LED on the battery begins to flash. This indicates that the battery is charging. After an initial charge of up to 8 hours, the battery is fully charged and the orange LED on the battery stops flashing. Once the unit is fully charged, disconnect the power cord from the charger and the wall outlet. Then, store it in a safe location for use the next time the unit needs charging. Notes: when the HFL's battery is running low, it will emit a steady tone when pressing the up or down button on the wired remote. This indicates that it's time to recharge the battery. Each charge is good for at least 10 lifts, depending on the weight of the person being lifted. If you need to use the HFL when the battery requires charging, or if the battery fails to operate the HFL, the lift can be operated with the power cord connected to an AC wall outlet. More information about the rechargeable battery can be found in the user's manual. Important: always ensure there are no foreign objects below the seat before lowering it to the home position and before tilting the HFL back to an upright position in its stored location. Should you encounter a situation where the unit is not operating properly, please ensure you have correctly followed the procedures for recharging the unit. If charging the unit does not resolve the problem, or if you encounter any other operational issues with the unit, please contact IndeeLift Customer Care. Our knowledgeable associates will help diagnose the problem and present a plan for swift resolution. When contacting IndeeLift Customer Care, please be prepared with your model number, serial number, purchase date, and a detailed description of the problem. IndeeLift, the first human floor lift designed and engineered to alleviate the grief, hazards, and hassles of recovering from a fall.